Now here the question is, we need to find the probability that the 3 points on a circle will lie on a same semicircle. So if we have a circle, then we have to find the probability that if we choose any 3 points, say A, B and C, they will lie on same semicircle. Now how do we solve this question? So what we'll do is, we'll assume the circumference of this circle is say 1 unit. So it is still a general case, and what we'll do is we'll cut this circle at A and we'll spread it out as a line. So we can write this as this line A. Now this point again will be A and this length will be 1 unit. Now we'll choose 2 points B and C on this line which are at a distance of x units from A. And suppose the midpoint of this line, which corresponds to diametrically opposite point across A, and this distance is 1/2. Now clearly the value of x and y, it will lie between 0 and 1. So this entire sample space, it can be expressed as the square of area 1 unit. So this is 0, 1 and 1. This is x and say this is y. And all the points in this square, they'll correspond to different positions of B and C. Now it says we have to find this probability that these 3 points, they lie on the same semicircle. Now there will be 2 cases. Case 1, when B and C, they lie on same side of M. If they lie on same side of M, then in that case, both x and y, their value should lie between 0.5. So this probability they lie on same side, it will be simply 1/2 into 1/2. Now they can lie on either side of M. So we have to actually multiply it with 2. So this probability will be 1/2. So the probability that these 2 points, they lie on same side of M is 1/2. So if they lie on same side of M, they lie on the same semicircle. Now another possibility is when B and C, they lie on opposite side of M. Then in that case, you have to find conditions on x and y. So the second case is when B and C lie on opposite side of M. Now this distance from A, it is x, and this distance of C from A in that case will be 1 minus y. So this distance is x and this distance is 1 minus y. Now they lie on the same semicircle if x plus 1 minus y, it is less than 1/2, because it has to lie in the semicircle, and we are talking about this case when the value of x is less than y. So we have this first case that y minus x, it is greater than 1/2 when x is less than y. So we'll mark this region. Now first we'll mark x equals y line. So this is x equals y line. Now x is less than y. We are talking about this region. Now in this region, we have to find region corresponding to this inequality. Now when the value of x is 0, value of y is 1/2. And when value of y is 0, value of x is minus 1/2. So it will be this line. Now if we put this point 0, 1, it satisfies this condition. So we are talking about this region. So this is the region that we get from this condition. Now we'll also have the second case when x is greater than y. Now if x is greater than y, then in that case, we'll get this condition that y plus 1 minus x, it should be less than 1/2, which is x minus y is greater than 1/2. Now if we draw this region, it will be this symmetric triangle. Now below this y equals x line. Now this is 1 by 2. Area of the shaded region will be 1 by 2 into, now this length and height will be all 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and then the second area will be same as the first. So this area will be simply 1 by 4. Now the probability that B and C lie on opposite side of M, but still they lie on a semicircle. So this probability when they lie on the opposite side will be simply 1 by 4. So combining these two cases, we'll get the probability that they will lie on same semicircle. It will be simply 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. So if we choose 3 points on a circle, the probability that they lie on the same semicircle is 3 by